I was asked to clarify in my DHT11 humidifier and temperature sensor video, where in the end I just said that I replaced this with another power source. That was a bit unclear, and it was already quite a long video, so I decided not to go through that. But because of a request, I'm now going to show how I did the power supply. This is the power supply we are going to build. We're going to need two 10 microfarads capacitors, a power source, a 7805, and then we'll get 5 volts and ground out of that. Seen the other video, the DHT11 video, you should recognize the lower part of this assembly here, so let's just quickly connect all the connections that we already had from the other video. So everything except the Arduino, which was on top over here, which we've now replaced with these 4 components, is exactly the same as before, even though it is drawn a bit differently. And now we'll follow this schematics over here to make the power supply. So first make sure you know which pole is plus and minus in the power connector. So in this case it is the pin that is plus pole. Connect that there, and the ring is ground, so we can connect that directly to ground here. Now both capacitors should be connected to the plus side. This is the plus side of the capacitor, and this is also the plus side. Should be connected to the 7805, like that. And the middle pin of the 7805 should be connected to ground, along with the minus legs of the capacitors. And finally we will get plus 5 volts from this leg, which we connect to our circuit, and we are done. There are many different types of rudimentary power supplies. This is one of them. If you search the web, you will find many others. This worked for me in this project. Make sure you find one that works for you and that you feel is safe. Until next time, take care, bye.